Are you ready to be your own boss with a business that's always in demand? Starting a cleaning business in Canada has low startup costs, flexible hours, and strong profit potential. But where do you start, and how do you do it the right way? There is a right and efficient way, and there's the way that a lot of cleaners did it. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple 6-step roadmap to starting a successful cleaning business in Canada, even if you're starting from zero. Step 1 is choosing your niche. Will you focus on residential homes, commercial offices, short-term rentals, or specialized services like move-out or post-construction cleaning? Defining your niche helps you price your services properly and target the right clients. For example, residential cleaning offers recurring income, while commercial cleaning often provides larger contracts. Step 2 is writing a business plan, and this step is often skipped. Your business plan doesn't have to be complicated, but it should clearly outline your services, pricing, target market, startup costs, and income goals. A simple plan helps you stay organized, avoid costly mistakes, and makes it easier to open a business bank account or apply for financing later. Step 3 is registering your business. In Canada, many cleaning businesses start as a sole proprietorship because it's simple and affordable. Incorporation offers more legal protection, but comes with higher costs. You'll also need to register your business name with your province, unless you're operating under your own legal name. Step 4 is getting insured and licensed. General liability insurance is essential for cleaning businesses. It protects you if property is damaged or someone gets injured. Depending on your city or province, you may also need a local business license or permit. Always check your municipal requirements. Step 5 is acquiring your equipment. You don't need expensive gear to start. Focus on essentials like a reliable vacuum, mops, microfiber cloths, and professional-grade cleaning solutions. As your business grows, reinvest profits into better equipment to improve efficiency and professionalism. Step 6 is marketing your services. Start with a simple professional website and set up a Google business profile so clients can find you locally. Social media, online marketplaces, and word-of-mouth referrals can be powerful, especially when paired with great service and consistent follow-up. As a bonus tip, price your services based on value, not just time. Track your expenses, know your hourly target, and gradually increase prices as demand grows. Starting a business is a journey. Stay organized, deliver exceptional service, and focus on building long-term client relationships. Be sure to follow our YouTube channel. We post videos about personal finances for Canadians in a simple and easy-to-understand way. For more Canadian business and financial guides, visit FinanciallyWise.ca and subscribe for more practical money and business tips. See you in the next video.